Hello and welcome back. Today we're making honey mustard chicken thighs. So to a bowl I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of English or Dijon mustard. I will put the quantities in the description. Some runny honey, a little dash of your favourite hot sauce. I'm using sriracha, fresh garlic. I like lots of fresh garlic and the one that I'm using isn't very potent, so I'm having to add quite a lot. Onion powder, lemon juice or vinegar, I'm using apple cider, a little paprika, salt, and lots of black pepper. You can also add a little ground mustard seed, but this is optional. And in go my mustard seeds, and just whisk that together. Make sure all parts of your thighs are well coated in that marinade and marinate it for as long as you're willing. Spread a bed of onions mixed with olive oil and just give that little sprinkle of salt. And once you've let your chicken marinate as long as you're willing to, just spread that out on top of your onions. I'm just sort of keeping my chicken bunched up, so I just want the tops of those to brown but the inside to remain really juicy. And just baste the top of your chicken with any leftover marinade you may have. And bake at 200 degrees Celsius until the tops are browned. This should take approximately 30 to 35 minutes. Once your thighs are golden brown, you can glaze them with a little bit of that sticky honey that will be left behind in your pan. And that's all there is to it. This is ready to serve. You can serve with whatever vegetables you like. Today I'm serving with a bit of sautéed cabbage and peas. And if you enjoy the recipe, please do leave a like, subscribe, click that notification bell. This is a super easy recipe and I'm hoping to release more of these type of recipes soon. Thanks for watching.